Hello data enthusiast, welcome to my channel 5 minutes of AI, and today in this video I will be answering your questions and clearing your doubts regarding how to start a data science journey in the most effective way, how to choose a course which is cheap and amazing, what all projects you need to do so that you can get noticed by the companies, how to prepare for the data science interview. So let me start with this better truth. Data science has changed. It has evolved now, but everybody is preparing the same way. And you know why? Because back till 2021, getting a data science job was very easy. Even till the mid of 2022, getting a job of data science was very easy. You just need to enroll in any course from grad, simple learn or great learnings, and do a bit of preparation, and you get a job. But things have changed. Okay, data science has completely changed. So is the interview, and so you have to evolve. Your preparation need to be updated. If you're going the same way, I'm sorry, it will be very difficult to get a data science job now. And that's what everybody's complaining, like why I'm not able to get a job. I'm having certification from this institute which is collab with IITs and other foreign universities. I have invested 3 lakhs rupees, but still I'm not getting a data science job. So that's what you have to understand. Now things have changed. It won't work that way. I know there are people who will get job, but out of 100, 2, 3 getting a job is not a number to consider. So this is what is happening right now. And how I am saying it, because I have been in this field for 7 years and I am recruiting for my team for the past 3 years. I have recruited 100 plus candidates. Okay, I have interviewed freshers, somebody who was from non-IT background, and somebody who want a career transition. So based on those interviews, I will guide you what all you need to do, how you should start your preparation. Choose a programming language. I will say go blindly for Python. Spend 10 days, learn the basic of Python. I'm considering that you will study 3 hours daily. Data analysis, choose pandas and numpy. Again, don't learn deep, learn basics of pandas and numpy. Functional knowledge, that's enough. Then learn linear algebra and statistics. Okay, this is very important because this entire data science thing is mathematical. Okay, it's just like somebody have created libraries for you and you're just importing and using it. Doesn't mean mathematics is not involved. It is 80% to 90% mathematics. So learn linear algebra and statistics thoroughly so that you can understand what model you're using, how it is functioning, and what all operations you're performing in the input to get the output. Also learn machine learning, not just machine learning. Machine learning includes feature engineering, and then your PCA thing, dimensionality reduction, reinforcement learning, basics of data, imbalanced data set, and also these things you need to know as a part of ML. Then come to NLP and deep learning. So NLP, it starts from basic TF, IDF, and it goes till implementing NLP using large language models and GenAI. And deep learning also try to know every model, what they perform, how they are doing it, and understanding using any PyTorch or TensorFlow. You can use any of them, but you should have the working understanding of every deep learning model. Okay, so what from programming language to deep learning, this is necessity. You need to know it, but this is outdated content. Okay, from programming to deep learning, it is outdated. Everybody knows this. How you should be, So what different you need to do? So you need to know large language models, GenAI, prompt engineering, and all kind of thing. Clouds, go with AWS. I will say, try to deploy a model, use Lambda, step functions, and all. Use SageMaker to write your Python codes. ML ops is very important because if you say in your resume that you have done some ML ops, used MLflow or other thing, orchestration tool, isn't it so amazing? Company will be like, okay, this guy knows work up to 3 people. The projects, if somebody will tell me to rate like how important it is in all the 3 steps, I will say this is, if I sum all the steps in 100, then this is 80. Those preparing for data science is 10 and preparing for data science interview is 10. This is 80. If you're 2 years plus experienced, and if my HR sends your profile, and if I go through your resume, and if I find anything related projects like credit card fraud detection or heart disease prediction and all, I will reject you there only. In my heart, you're rejected. I'm just doing the formality of taking your interview. So how to create an effective project is the most important thing. First thing is know about your data. Very, very important thing. Know about your data. From where it is coming, what all regulations and this data has been through and all. Second, know the domain where you are working. Okay. A guy I have interviewed, he has mentioned that he has done a heart disease prediction project. So I asked him from where he got the data because those are PHI data. Okay. So he told me that he scraped it from internet. Then I said, why client is not giving you and they're asking you to scrape from their web page? He doesn't have any answer and I know they're bluffing. So, okay, even if you scrape, you get data from somewhere, but you should know what all the difficulties can happen to get you this data. If it is a PHI data, if it is sensible data, if it is medical data, it is very difficult to get it from client. Client won't be giving you the exact details. They will mask the details. Right now I'm working on insurance project. Entire thing like client name, street address, phone number, everything is masked. I'm working in that way. So from where you're getting data, what all the regulations it has to go, you should know that if you're 2+ experience. Second, the pain points. What you're solving. You should know what you are solving. Just by seeing the data, XY देखा नहीं कि बस ML लगा दिया, वैसा नहीं होता ना. If else से भी हो सकता है यार. Lots of problem can be solved using if else and regex. Why you're using ML? Why you're making your process heavy? Simple है ना. Why are you using ML? What were the pain points? How you have solved it? Very important. That is the third point. Fourth point is how you solved it using ML and DL. What all tools you needed so that it is not very costly on memory and CPU. You need to, like for example, tabular data है, ठीक है, CSV में कुछ some 1,000, 10,000 rows है, and you started using BERT to train it and all. Right? Logistic regression for classification first. So आपको ये भी समझना होगा कि how to choose models and all. Fifth and the most important is how to deliver it to the client. Client को आप वैसे नहीं बोल सकते 90% accuracy है. You have to deliver the result to them. In what format so that their system can absorb your result. ये है issues. ये कोई नहीं बताता है आपको. कोई कोर्स में नहीं बताता है. Nobody will tell you. So, whatever I have told you, nobody will tell you. Okay. No course will tell you how to do a project, which is the most important lifeline of any resume. अगर प्रोजेक्ट खराब है ना तो आप वहीं पे रिजेक्ट हो जाते हो. आपसे इंटरव्यू तक नहीं लेगा वो, और ये इंटरव्यू ले भी रहे ना तो आपकी फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए ले रहा है क्योंकि उसको उसके पैसे मिल रहा है. समझे ना. प्रोजेक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वर्क हार्ड ऑन योर प्रोजेक्ट. वट एवर आई हैव टोल्ड यू, those 5 things, try to implement it. And if you're fresh, you don't have any domain thing, don't worry. Do one thing. I will provide you links of amazing projects using LLMs, GenAI. Go through it. Okay, go through it. Once you complete your entire course, go through those projects. Okay, and then create your own story. I've created this project. What was the pain point? This was the pain point. What I have solved. I've solved this. How I will deliver it. I will deliver it this way. पूरा एक ऐप सिस्टम बना दो ना. स्टार्ट से डेटा डालते हो. Somewhere you put PDF in one folder. You get the result in another folder. End-to-end system बना दो. Using Streamlit app or whatever you want. ML flow use कर लो. If you want to go to the cloud, go to the cloud. This is for freshers. Who is stopping you? अरे there are 10,000 videos on the YouTube. 10,000 videos. You can just go and just write a simple sentence like how to create ML projects in AWS. अरे 5 वीडियोस आ जाएंगे आपको. एक भी फॉलो कर लो, आप आराम से सीख जाओ. क्यों वो 10 लाख का कोर्स करने जाना, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग वॉज प्रोजेक्ट. Suppose you have learned, you have done the project. Why did this update and improvise? Third step. I told you data science is very dynamic thing. Okay, things are getting updated in within 10 days, week, even sometime it happens within 2 days. So you have to update yourself, gain in the process. So you have to update your resume every day for every job. Job description change hai, update your resume as per that. Resume building is one of the most important thing and it is very important for freshers. Okay, very important for freshers. Aapka resume is your because you don't know anything, you haven't worked for any industry, so your resume should reflect that you are somebody who is very enthusiastic, who want to work in data science, who is very capable, who is very I will say, if I select this freshers, definitely I don't have to worry about it. He will perform good. आपका रिज्यूमे ऐसा होना चाहिए, देख के मेरे को लगना चाहिए. वो आपको फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा कैसे बनाना है. मैं एक कोर्स डाल दूँ वेयर Udemy का कोर्स है, इट्स चीप ओनली, buy it on offers, so you will get 350 rupees में मिल जाएगा वो कोर्स. So in that course they tell you like how to create a resume, how to build your portfolio not just on LinkedIn, on GitHub also. Whatever projects you're doing, try to create a descriptive thing, like वो project को आप कैसे present करते हो. Do that thing on GitHub, share the link in the resume, create amazing post on LinkedIn and share your profile link in the resume, LinkedIn profile in the create a lot of connections. Okay, there are formal way to approach people on the LinkedIn. Okay, आप उनसे hi hello करो, know them, sometime tell them that if there is opening, please refer my profile and all. You can do it. Right? There are 100, if you approach 100 people and even 10 got converted, so imagine even in 10 referral वाला जो होता है ना, वो बहुत effective होता है. There are high chances if you are referred by somebody, you will be selected. High chances. So इसमें बुराई क्या है? What is the wrong into it? You have some empty time. Like target 10 people daily. एक simple सा एक अच्छा सा एक message बना लो. Send them with your resume. And also one more thing. Patience is most important thing. It's not like you got a call from a company and you will be selected. No, it's not that. Maybe 5-6 interviews में fail हो गए, then you will be selected. So be patient and learn from your failure, like why you failed, what all thing you need to brush up and all. So profile selection भी बहुत important है. 70-80% अगर match हो रहा है job descriptions आपकी profile से, then only go for that interview, otherwise don't go. Not just 70, say 60% also. Okay, in the worst case 60%. If your profile is matching with the 60% on the job description, go for it, don't worry. Learning ही होगा if you are not selected. So that's all. Thank you.